Imagine waking up with real energy again. No more afternoon crashes, no more brain fog, and no more worrying about your liver tests. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reverse fatty liver disease using scientifically proven methods that work up to 3 times faster than traditional approaches. Every single strategy I'm about to share is backed by solid research and real results. If you're exhausted of feeling tired, concerned about your liver health, or maybe you just got some scary test results, this video could change everything for you. I'm going to share the exact foods, movements, and strategies that have helped thousands of people repair their liver health. And here's the exciting part. You can start seeing results in as little as 6 weeks. Let me walk you through what we're going to cover today, so you know exactly what to expect. We'll start by understanding what fatty liver really is. Then I'll show you the warning signs to watch out for. After that, I'll reveal the 4 proven methods to reverse it, share a complete food guide for healing your liver, so you can start right away. Think of your liver like a sophisticated processing plant in your body. When it gets overwhelmed, it starts storing fat droplets inside its cells. Now here's something that might surprise you. This isn't just a problem for people who are overweight. In fact, 25% of people with fatty liver are at a normal weight. That's right, 1 in 4 people with this condition wouldn't even suspect they have it based on their appearance. Let's put this in perspective. Fatty liver affects 1/4 of people worldwide. If you're carrying extra weight, your chances are even higher. About 90% of people with obesity have some degree of fatty liver. And here's why we need to take this seriously. If we don't address it, about 20% of cases will progress to more serious liver conditions. Now you might be wondering what actually puts you at risk for fatty liver. Well, if you have metabolic syndrome, your risk skyrockets. We're talking about 4 times higher than normal. And if you're dealing with type 2 diabetes, your chances are 5 times higher than someone without it. Sleep apnea? That triples your risk right there. Even just carrying extra weight around your middle doubles your chances. But how do you know if your liver needs help? Look, your body is probably trying to tell you something if you're experiencing any of these signs. The most common one is fatigue that just won't go away, even after a good night's sleep. You might also notice a dull ache or feeling of fullness in your upper right abdomen. Many people also report brain fog, trouble focusing, or unexplained weight changes. And if you're having digestive issues, especially after fatty meals, that's another red flag. Let me share with you the 4 methods that research has shown can transform your liver health. These aren't just random suggestions. These are proven strategies that work together to speed up your recovery. Let's start with what I call the time window method. This approach alone can reduce liver fat by up to 40% in just 12 weeks. Here's exactly how it works, and I'll make it super simple to follow. You'll want to do all your eating within an 8-hour window each day. Think of it like giving your liver a break for the other 16 hours. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds hard, but let me break it down into something manageable. Start your morning with 16 ounces of water. Yes, you can still have your morning coffee or green tea, just keep it black. If you're feeling energetic, a short walk is fantastic, but it's not required. The real key is what happens when you break your fast. Here's a pro tip. When you do eat, start with protein and healthy fats. For example, try 2 eggs with some avocado and spinach. Here's something most people don't know. Wait about 30 minutes before having coffee with your meals. It makes a big difference in how your body processes the food. Now, let me save you from some common mistakes I see people make. Don't break your fast with fruit or high-carb foods. That can actually set you back. And when you're first starting out, take it easy with exercise during your fasting period. Your body needs time to adjust. Oh, and don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. This is crucial for your liver function. The second method is all about movement, but not just any movement. I'm going to share a specific exercise pattern that directly targets liver fat. This isn't your typical workout. It's designed specifically for liver health. We're looking at just 20 minutes 3 times a week. That's it. But here's the key. It's not about how long you exercise, it's about how you do it. Let me walk you through what I call the liver reset pattern. We'll start with a quick 3-minute warm-up. Think arm circles, hip rotations, some light jumping jacks, just enough to get your blood flowing. Then comes the main event, 6 specific exercises that work together to boost your liver's fat-burning ability. First up is what I call the power move, a squat with an overhead press. You'll do this for 40 seconds, focusing on your breathing. Breathe out as you press up. This engages your core and maximizes the benefit for your liver. Next comes the cleansing row, a bent-over rowing movement that helps squeeze and release your liver area. Again, 40 seconds, focusing on squeezing your shoulder blades together. After those first two moves, we get into what I call the push-pull dance. It's a movement that's like giving your liver a gentle massage from the inside out. 40 seconds of work here and focus on smooth, controlled movements. Don't rush it. Quality beats speed every time. Then we move into my favorite, the core rotations. This one's really special because it helps squeeze out trapped toxins from your liver area. Think about wringing out a sponge. That's what we're doing for your liver. Keep your core engaged and rotate smoothly for 40 seconds. Our fifth exercise is the hip hinge. Now, this one might look simple, but it's incredibly powerful for liver health. It helps improve blood flow to your entire digestive system. Keep your back straight and push those hips back like you're closing a door with your backside. Finally, we wrap up with what I call the metabolic finisher. This is where we bring it all together with a full body movement. You might be tired by now, but these last 40 seconds are where the magic happens. Choose any full body movement that feels right. Just keep moving and maintain good form. We'll cool down with 3 minutes of light stretching and deep breathing. Trust me, your liver will thank you for this routine. Now, let's talk about what I consider the secret weapon, the Mediterranean-Keto Hybrid Diet. This isn't your typical restrictive diet. Instead, it's a smart combination that can reduce liver fat by 60% in 12 weeks. Let me show you how to make it work in the real world. Think of your plate like this. About half should be healthy fats, a third protein, and the rest complex carbs. But here's what makes it practical. You can eat delicious, satisfying meals. Let me show you what a typical day looks like. For breakfast, imagine a bowl of creamy Greek yogurt topped with crunchy walnuts and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Add half an avocado on the side, and you're starting your day with perfect liver-supporting foods. Wash it down with some green tea, and you're getting even more benefits. Let me show you how to make this diet work in your everyday life. I mentioned breakfast earlier, but let's talk about your other meals. For lunch, I want you to think colorful and fresh. A big, beautiful salad loaded with liver-loving vegetables, topped with wild-caught salmon. Drizzle it with some extra virgin olive oil. That's not just for taste, it's actually medicine for your liver. Add some roasted vegetables on the side, and you've got a meal that's actively healing your liver. When dinner time rolls around, try this Mediterranean-style chicken with herbs. The herbs aren't just for flavor. They're packed with compounds that support liver health. Pair it with some sautéed cruciferous vegetables, things like broccoli or Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain special compounds that actually help your liver detoxify better. Now let's talk snacks, because this is where most people slip up. Instead of reaching for processed foods, keep some mixed nuts handy. Olives are perfect too. They're not just tasty, they're full of healthy fats your liver loves. And if you're craving something crunchy, celery with almond butter is your new best friend. This is where we give your liver some extra support, but timing is everything. Think of supplements like a precision strike team. They need to hit at the right time to be most effective. In the morning, you'll want to take 3 key supplements. First up is berberine, 500 milligrams with your first meal. This supplement is like a personal trainer for your liver, helping it process fats and sugars better. Next is milk thistle, 150 milligrams. Think of it as armor for your liver cells. Round it out with NAC at 600 milligrams, which helps your body produce its own antioxidants. Then in the evening, you've got your second wave of support. Alpha-lipoic acid at 600 milligrams works while you sleep to help clean up damaged cells. Add 400 IU of natural vitamin E, and yes, it needs to be the natural form, not synthetic. Finally, 2,000 milligrams of omega-3s help reduce inflammation overnight. Here's a pro tip most people don't know. Take your morning supplements with a source of healthy fat. This helps your body absorb them better. And for the evening supplements, try to take them at least 2 hours after your last meal for optimal absorption. Now let's talk about the foods that are going to transform your liver health. I'm not just going to give you a list. I'm going to explain exactly how each food works and how to use it for maximum benefit. Let's start with artichokes. And I know what you're thinking, really? Artichokes? But hear me out. These spiky vegetables are like natural detergent for your liver. They literally double your liver's cleansing ability. Plus, they contain a special compound that protects your liver cells while helping sweep away excess fat. Green tea is next on our list, and it's a powerhouse. Not just any green tea, though. You want to drink it between meals for the best effect. The compounds in green tea actually break down liver fat directly. We're talking about a 63% lower risk of fatty liver when you drink it regularly. That's pretty impressive for something so simple, right? Now let's talk about wild salmon. The emphasis here is on wild because it contains a special combination of omega-3s that farm-raised just doesn't have. These omega-3s are like construction workers for your liver, repairing damaged cell membranes and reducing stress on your liver. Garlic is your liver's best friend, and you don't need much. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day activates your liver's fat-burning enzymes. It's like turning up the thermostat on your body's natural detox system. Plus, it helps reduce inflammation. It's literally medicine disguised as food. Turmeric is next, and here's a little secret. Combine it with black pepper and a healthy fat to multiply its effectiveness by up to 2,000%. It's like giving your liver a golden ticket to health. It reduces inflammation, boosts bile production, and even helps repair damaged liver cells. Let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. Things like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. They're like the cleaning crew for your liver, activating special pathways that help your body clear out toxins. Try to get at least 1 serving every day. Walnuts are interesting because they're actually shaped like little brains, but they're amazing for your liver. They reduce inflammation, protect liver cells, and improve blood flow. A handful a day is all you need. Beets are nature's liver medicine. They help reduce fatty deposits and improve blood flow to your liver. Don't like beets? Try them roasted with a little olive oil. It completely changes the flavor. Speaking of olive oil, let's talk about why it's so special. It contains unique compounds that protect liver cells and improve fat metabolism. But here's the key. Use it unheated or at low temperatures to preserve these benefits. Leafy greens are like nature's broom for your liver. They're high in chlorophyll, which helps with detoxification, and they're packed with folate for cell repair. Try to get different types. Kale, spinach, arugula, each has its own special benefits. Finally, citrus fruits. But there's a catch. You want to eat them whole, not juiced. They support your liver's natural detox pathways and help protect liver cells. Plus, they're great for when you're craving something sweet. Remember, your liver is incredibly resilient. It actually wants to heal. We just need to give it the right tools and environment to do so. Don't feel like you have to implement everything at once. Start with what feels manageable and build from there. Most people see significant improvements within 6 to 12 weeks when following these strategies. I'd love to hear about your experience with fatty liver and which of these strategies you're most excited to try. Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more evidence-based health content that actually works. Remember, your health journey is unique, but you're not alone in this. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.